What up, YouTube? Today we were working on the homies sedan. They put the rear camber arms and the adjustable toe plate right here. This is a stock bullshit one.
You see the cutouts way more adjusted. Oh yeah. To bring your toe in or out.
You got these fools. I think finishing the max speed rod rear camber arms. I got skipped on this.
That's you?
You know, Luca's a mechanic.
What are we doing? Oh, we need to bring the jack. Yeah.
What's up with that for Lucas?
I was trying to hit up the road forward out of pocket right now. You know, I got my little monkey right here helping too. Nice.
And I got my sleeve right here.
There you go. It's going on YouTube.
Up or no? Oh, I forgot.
There.
Oh, hold on.
That one's good already.
I'm gonna go down a little bit.
Why? Did he tell you to go down?
No, there.
See? You should just stay there.
You didn't even tighten this one.
It's just leaking already, Poncho?
You don't know one tighten these?
No, tighten it.
It leaks a little bit, not crazy. Oh yeah, I forgot. Say that. My car too is leaking some coolant on the bottom, probably most likely the water pump. It's coming from like this area. There you go, Lucas.
Alright, here, remember?
It goes to me. Dun dun dun. No, black ass fingers.
I don't see no difference.
That's crazy. Look, we got our boy Lucas right here.
Working on it. Master mechanic.
Or you left
Get that yam off your face, nigga.
Can you jack it up more? Can you go?
Actually, piss me off right now.
Use this side. You should have hold it with this. Look, start it on this side and then hold it with that shit on this side. And then do this side. This side, look, you can wrench it on this side.
This dude over here finishing it off.
And then do it with this one.
That's what I'm gonna do. Wrench it with this one.
This 3 bolts.
It feels like it's not going, but it's going.
Get something there, baby, on my fingers. It's not too tight because you still want to adjust it.
Yeah, they still gotta adjust that thing. I'll give you guys another update in a little bit once it's all done. I know you seen this on the first video, but homie didn't know how to do it right. So you got Tuntun's to hold here, doing it right when it should be done right the first time, but
Yeah, well, it wasn't enough as we thought it was enough. We thought it was enough, but it clearly wasn't.
get that yam.
Get that yam off your face. We got our homie right here, Squidward. It's either that or yams.
It's like yams.
So he wants to rock these rims so bad, but he's not that guy.
Today, we're that guy.
He's not that guy. See the wagon.
That's where you turn on the basement, or then you see what falls off real quick.
Keep you guys up there in a bit. My little wagon.
That's something you could never do.
He ain't ready for that. He don't want that. He just wants to be low. Yeah, we just went down the street, quick little pool. Oh shit. Right here, pulling up. See what's up with these foods. So this is him. They're dropping it. See if it's all done. If he's gonna be all happy. See if he's gonna be all mohala.
Yeah.
All mohala. Let's see if he's gonna be all mohala.
No, it's just stock. We just want to look at it like, dude, no camber.
Oh, you got the second board on. Behind you.
Where's the paper? I look. Your hands are dirty. Which one's not dirty?
You put the board up.
You guys heard me?
Nothing.
My car?
No.
Leaking?
No.
Popping.
Just me driving in general. You roll it. I don't like rolling blunts. Fool, do I ever roll blunts? Do I ever roll blunts?
No.
Thank you very mucho. What's that? Stock height?
Nigga, that shit is, huh? Shit looks bunk as fuck. It looks nice and straight though.
Yeah. Hell yeah, look.
Yeah, but not low.
Look how straight that bitch is. We need the nigga, like everything looks so sick, and I was just like, next thing you know, I hear Lucas, whoa, please, oh. And I was all like, huh? And I look, nigga, we're about to fall off the fucking cliff. Nigga, this fool's lead us like that, and we fucking hit all the dirt like that, almost off on the fucking thing. That shit was fucking crazy off the side of a mountain, nigga.
Remember that time I smashed on the quad? Everybody got into the park, we tried to cut through the park and you hit the bed?
Oh yeah, I remember that shit.
What do you think about it, Tun Tun?
This shit's close in by a fucking bed.
This
This
shit's
is
bunk
too
as
high.
fuck. It is too high, huh?
Is that maxed out or what?
That the max?
That's a max that shit could go? You should just order the ones we had.
It's not the max.
Then max it out, my boy. You lagging. Look at the moon over there. Look, he's trying to be like this. Look, second place, first place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, and then sixth place.
Jack.
You gonna take him off the board? Oh, it is lower, no? He's gonna be all wet right now. That shit gonna be throbbing. Mr. Huh?
It's open. Come on, big homie.
I can't do none of that. There's not a blade right here?
I want you to do it, big homie.
I can't do it, brother.
Here, got a little homie do it. What?
If you could split it.
Rick, this is a blunt. Sorry, we look busted right now. Don't trip though. I know how to do it.
Oh my god.
I just like that. Look at Lucas already getting in trouble.
He's already getting in trouble.
No?
Maybe we'll make it to a meet tonight and we'll get some meat content. Some cart meat content, you know?
Oh shit.
See how it goes. Keep you guys updated right now.
Yeah, they're on the table right there, no?
He's about to drive it off right now. See how it looks. Drive it off a bit.
You see he has a grill now? Looks better.
He ordered it?
No, got it at the junkyard.
Oh yeah? I'm sure. Yeah, it did look better. Damn, that shit's low as fuck. That shit's sitting nice. Oh, it's just something real nice.
Really nice. Woo-wee. It's gonna look real nice.
You still gotta move the camber, no?
Yep.
So this is before he fucks with the camber. He's trying to be low, but takes a lot more than that.
That front needs to go down now. The back is way more down.
You can't say his real nickname because we'll get banned.
The camera, we need to add some more. It looks good like that. I think it should be a little bit.
How do you feel, Joe?
Just add a cool lot, like at least a little.
How much? Because right now it's at 0.
At least 3
3?
or 4,
5?
like 5, yeah.
Mine's at like 8.
What you got?
8, 10.
He wants this.
No, that's okay. It's like 7.
9.5 in the back and just go all out. Or should I just put the 9.5 in the back and just max it up with the goods?
But it's because it's not feel good.
Yeah, that's why it looks weird, huh? Let's do the back so we can drop that. They're checking out my stand.
Just in case you guys are wondering why there's always fucking chicken sounds. Oh
right there.
shit, that fool look like he wanted to attack.
Oh, there's 3 of them niggas.
On God, they'll jump me. No, gotta raise it again. Just because this guy wants some camber.
That was the whole point of this, but
He's not that guy though. I would have put the 9.5s in the back how they're originally supposed to be.
you're going for a little drift build, like drift stance.
Nah, it makes no sense.
I'm trying to be look like that, you see?
You can try. Here you go, Tuntun Sahul. No.
I need a smaller one. Smaller one?
There you go.
You want me to try to find one?
Duh. He got a little girl at the junkyard. Looks a lot better than a missing kidney. Oh, Tuntun added these to his car. That old little OEM look shit. The SS. So, how much camera you get?
-5.
-5 camera on the back.
Still rubbing on this side.
Yep, it rubs. You can hear it rub a bit. I'm not too sure where, but it sounded more from this side.
I think it needs more. Now it's touching the tire now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I say just max it out at this point because this looks like it's just rubbing worse now. Nasty. Just do like you.
Ah!
Yes. I
I
guarantee that's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need.
How much
more
do you
of
have to
that.
do?
-8.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's try. What are we at right
-7.
now?
-7.
5. We could go 7.
I mean, shit. All right, try this.
Try. Hold on. Come straight up.
So they're gonna try to give him more camber. Hopefully after this time is good. If we're gonna try to make it that meat.
What time?
It starts like at 9. You know the meats always start like at 9.
Oh, should be good.
And we still gotta go wash them. Oh shit. So let me give you guys an update of what we've been working with, what we've been dealing with. So this is how we want it, how Joel wants it, but it rubs vicious on the rim.
You want to raise it like?
On the rim.
Just raise it until the Just raise it until the fenders to the lid. Like I think like 2. I think like at least.
So now we're at least.
Get it ready.
He's gonna raise it, and then see.
Once you get in there and go up, yeah. You get in the car and drive it up.
Now they're putting me to work. Smells like burnt tire in here. So this is the final setup.
No. We still gotta adjust the front. Look like camper.
Still gotta mess with the front, I guess.
The rear's done. We're leaving it like that for a little bit.
Yeah, the rear is low.
Lift the fender. You see that shit for sure. Like, get that bunk ass shit out of here. Oh!
Now I gotta check. What are you gonna do?
Weak fitment on just stock wheels.
You gonna what?
Just read his
Read the codes.
read the codes.
Yeah, so I say go ahead and part it out.
He's gonna have 1,000 codes for sure. I don't know, he'll be tweaking it. Take the little cap off. Is the cap on there?
So yeah, I guess that's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. We were supposed to go to a meet.
I'm sorry, we couldn't make it. We had to dial in the fitment in the back.
He kept rubbing.
No, don't worry about it. Show them that camera. Look at that tilt in the back. Look tilt.
I guess he got some camber.
Oh, that's more than most of these niggas.
He stole it off of her.
He's using, you know, if you know, you know, system.
Pop the trunk right there.
Oh my God, this was always asking me to do the most. His homie.
Oh, I fucked up.
Fucked up. This is the end of this video. Say goodbye, Joe.
With my lotion hands.